Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see two internship opportunities, and these opportunities are for everyone who is a college student. So if you are in first year, second year, third year, fourth year, you are eligible to it, okay? And every degree, every branch is eligible. You are doing BSc, BCom, BTech, BA, BCA, every branch and every degree is eligible to these internships, okay? And both of these internships are coming from well-known companies like HP and Intel. Okay, so first we're gonna see HP's internship. So if you are searching for any type of internship, then this video is going to help you a lot. So before starting, please hit like button, and also if you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing. So let's get started. So this is our first internship which is coming from HP. Okay, so let's know about the job. Its primary location is going to be in Bangalore, Karnataka, and it is a graduate program, or you can say internship, and it is going to be full time. Okay, so these are the responsibilities, but I'm not getting it what is written here. If you get it, then please comment it below so that I can also understand, and I don't think it is important. So now you can see who is eligible to it. Like if you are enrolled in any university, means you are a college student, you are in any year, first year, second year, third year, fourth year, and you are from any degree, any batch, any branch, it doesn't matter, you can apply to this internship. Okay, so you can see here, if you are a male, female, minority, individual with disability, protected veteran status, so anything doesn't matter. Everyone can apply to this internship if they are college students. Okay, so this is going to be a very good opportunity, and you must register to it. So let's see how we can apply to it. You can see this apply now button, and you can click it. Okay, after that you will see this page where you need to sign in, or if you are not having any account, then you can create a new account with HP. Okay, so you can create your account after filling your details, and you can sign in with that. You will receive an email and you need to verify your account from there, then only you will be able to sign in. Okay, so you can see account activated status is there, means I have verified my account. Now I am signing in. Okay, and you will see three options, like you can use my last application, autofill with resume, or apply manually. So you can apply to this job as you want. All right, so I'm not having any last application, and if you want to autofill with your resume, you can attach your resume, you can drop your resume here. Okay, and after that you can click continue, and you will at this page, and you need to fill all the information. Okay, like my information, experience, application questions, some voluntary disclosures, and review. Okay, so as you can see, I have completed all the details. You also need to fill all the details, and if you are having any problem in filling any of these, you can comment in comment section, and after reviewing your application, like if you have filled correct or not, you can submit it. And after submitting, you can see congratulations, your application has successfully been submitted. Okay, so we have applied to this internship, and now we are going to see our next internship, which is coming from Intel. All right, so before going to the next internship opportunity, please hit like button if you haven't already done that, and also subscribe to my channel if you're new, so that you will get notified for every video that I'm going to upload. Okay, so this is our second internship which is coming from Intel. So you can see here, its location is also going to be in Bangalore, Karnataka, and it is an internship or student program. So you can see the qualifications, means who can eligible for that. So if you are doing BTech or MTech, you can see here pursuing. So if you are currently doing BTech or MTech, then only you will be able to apply for this internship. Okay, so if you are from any branch in BTech or MTech, then you can apply to it. Okay, and you can also see the job description, like responsibilities may be quite diverse of a technical nature. So in this internship opportunity, you are going to do various tasks, and this internship is going to be for a short period of time. They have not mentioned the time period exactly. Okay, and to apply to this internship, you can click apply now button, and after that you will see this page. You need to certify that you are 16 years above. So here you can see before you apply, let's make sure we connect. Okay, no problem with that. Now your first name and all these details like email, country you live in, and you need to select your resume. After selecting your resume, you need to put the expected graduation month because this is for BTech and MTech students that are pursuing their degrees. And you can also put your current GPA, but it is not mandatory. Okay, so you need to click I agree. Okay, and save continue. So after that you will see this page and you need to sign in. So you need to create the account first, okay, before sign in. So after putting your details you can sign in. So from here you also need to complete this process, and if you are having any last application then you can use that, or if you are new then you can upload your new resume or CV. Okay, after that you can click next. You can fill the details. So I have already filled my application. So you can see I am at the review page. I have completed this process bar, and you can review your application from here. And after that you need to submit it. Okay, and in both the internships the process is almost the same. So you need to complete this process and you will be applied to both the internships. Okay, so I hope you find this video helpful, and if so then please like this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I upload these type of videos on daily basis, so you will be helped a lot. So let's meet in the next video. Thank you.